This math was coming preliminary and written exam of many different job exam. This math types of chain rule method. This math says a fort has provision of food for 150 men for 45 days. After 10 days, okay, 25 men left the fort. 10 days, after 10 days means 35 days. 25 left means 125 men, because 150 minus 25 means 125. The number of days for which remaining food. Okay, so in this math the formula be W1 divide M1 divide multiply T1, W2 M2 T2. W means quantity, M means man, T means time or day, W2 quantity, then M man, T time. 1 for first line, 2 for second line. We put value according to this math. First, a port. Okay, a port quantity, effort quantity 1, man 150. This 25 man left. 150 minus 25, 125. Then 45 days after 10 days. This 45 total days. Then after 10 days means 45 minus 10, 35. 150 man M. This T1 time for days, 45 minus 10, 35 days. W2 this fort means 1/4. Okay, this 25 men left the fort. 25 men left the fort means 150 minus 25 equal 125. Multiply this remaining food, the number of days. The number of days means X days. Okay, we put all values in this formula. Now cross multiplication. 125 multiply X equal this 150 into 35, X equal 150 35 125 equal 42. This answer 42 in this math. The answer will be C.